Hi, my name's Anthony and this is a short video to talk to you about Compofloor. Compofloor is a Dutch company looking to launch their flooring solution into the UK marketplace. So what is Compofloor? It's a replacement solution for old, rotten timber floor joists and timber floorboards. In the Dutch market, it's been installed into over 800 homes, the majority of which are housing association owned. It's a lightweight product that's easy to install, and the company runs training courses for people interested in installing the product. The solution itself is very straightforward. It's a composite material, 617mm in width, 200mm in height, and can span up to 4.5 meters in a single panel length. The idea of the product is that it spans the full width of the room, sat on either brackets or retaining walls at each end. The panels are interlocking, which helps improve stability and also to eradicate the opportunity for bad air coming up through the floor. So replacing old rotten floors and joists, it's a time-consuming job. It's not necessarily a long-term fix, as timbers will often rot again. There's the potential for additional damage to be done during the repair. We often end up with floors that aren't level. The air quality and smell generated by the rotting environment underneath the floor can also be damaging to health. And all too often we don't see insulation being installed underneath this type of floor. Here's a short video about Compofloor, start to finish on a project. Here we can see the old floor being lifted. This is all carried out by the installation team. Generally, the project takes a full working day for a room. The old joists are cut out and removed. The next job is to either install hanging brackets or to ensure there is a small retaining wall to support the joists, to support the beams, the Compofloor beams. The Compofloor beams are sent to site ready cut to size for the size of the room, but can also be cut on site if there's any additional adjustments required. It's easy to cut, and the waste material is gathered and returned to the factory for use in other projects. Here we can see the OSB layer being put on top, and of course, because of the composite material underneath, we can screw fix the OSB board in many different places, and that gives an enhancement to the stability of the floor. Here we can see the interlocking sections on the profile. Here the solution has been sat on top of a small retaining wall. As shown in the earlier video, you can do that with the brackets. Here's showing a room where the overall width is greater than the 4.5 meters. So an additional beam, actually composite material beam, has been used to sit the two products on top of. The two spans on top of. Services can be easily routed up through the floor, and indeed, if necessary, a service access hatch, if there's space deep enough underneath the floor, can also be cut into the composite material. Here's a little bit of information about why Compofloor is beneficial to your buildings. Probably the biggest point to raise here is the amount of energy efficiency. It's been proven to reduce energy costs by in excess of 25%, and that's been tested through the University of Eindhoven. Thank you for watching the short video. If you'd like any more information, then please don't hesitate to make contact with me. Compofloor are looking to establish whether there's an opportunity for this product in the UK marketplace, and we're interested to hear from potential installers and potential users of the product. Thanks for your attention.